People, I look like a goddamn astronaut. This is what I'd wear. Taking off, blast off in 5, 4, 3, 2. That's what I look like.
Telling me I'm not gonna waste my time. I make time on but pressure bust by.
What's up, Seashells? It's Shelby and I am back with another video. And in today's video, as you can already see by the title, I'm going to be doing a haul. So basically, I'm going to do what I ordered versus what I got. Yeah, I need to see if the clothes them are gonna look good for me like or they look good for the model. So this haul will be from LovelyWholesale. But yeah, I got some items in this bag right here, and we gonna see if it was a hit or a miss. So without further ado, let's get on into the video. So the first item we're going to be starting with is this t-shirt right here, and as you can see, if you're not colorblind, it is black and it is red. And it got the queen on it and all that wonderful stuff. I'll have a little view somewhere on either this side or this side showing you exactly how it fit and all that good stuff. But yeah, it's more like it's not cotton. Don't quote me, I don't know my fabrics, but I know it's not cotton for sure. It's very stretchy, so imagine spandex but not as tight. Yeah, like imagine that jersey type of feel to it. That's how it is. It's very cool, like in a hot, so on a hot day you can wear this and you don't have to worry if you're gonna sweat too much, because you know it's roomy. And maybe it's roomy because I am very small, because I think on a normal person it wouldn't be this big, but it's fine, it's okay, I don't mind. I like the room. Next, so guys, this is the next fit. Is this what should I call it? It's not an Oxford shirt, but it's like a dress. It's like a dress shirt, and it has this little thing at the end that I like. It's kind of fancy, you know what I'm saying? Like, you dig this? Look at the print and the details. I think the pattern is really cute, you know? But you know what would have made this top even cuter? Boobs. And that is what I lack. But you know, it's okay. It is okay. It's okay. We can make it work. We can make it work. How y'all doing? So yeah, this I actually like it, but it does not look like how it looked on the model, because as I said, the boobs did not come with the shirt, so I gotta improvise and just give y'all chest. But it's okay though, it's okay. Embrace what you got. And that's nothing, it's air. Again, this is like the same material of the first shirt that I had on. It's really stretchy and airy. Like it's not hot. It's not sheer material, so it's not like that cool, but you're not look dead. Yeah. So okay, I'm gonna rate them as well. So the first shirt, I give it a 10 out of 10 because I like t-shirts. Like if I could just wear t-shirts for the rest of my life, that's what I do. This I would give 9 out of 10 because the boobs and the shape never came with it. On to the next. So this next piece is a 2-piece set. It is a, what do you call this, a long sleeve crew neck shirt. Again, I'm starting to think that all these pieces are of the same material. I really thought this was going to be cotton, but it's not, which is cool. I just wish that the sweats were of sweatpants material, you know what I mean? Like that cotton fluffy nice material, but it's not. It's like stretchy, and I mean, I love that. I don't really like that, but you know, over there you can see This got this little girl, like she trying to rob somebody and she got her money and she telling you how to shut up. And then on the pants, you know, you got money is the motive. That's what sis is telling you up here. But y'all ain't hearing it. Sis is preaching and y'all ain't hearing it. All 2021 we get into the bag. And that's on what? Mary had a little lamb. Next. No guys, seriously no. Women are ready to go. Seriously, women are ready to go. But really and truly look like me I take off. Me I go in a space. Me not love that. I don't love that. The material, I don't know what is going on with this shiny all woman material. This doesn't even sit on my arm right. Like what? When I get it, and why this not tight? I feel like I don't know size my buy because y'all said this was a size small and it clearly isn't. I am small. This is wickedness. The only way I can see to fix this, right? It won't take in first of all because it's big. So I probably just, you know, do a little something like that, you know, roll up the sleeves a little bit here, and then like taking the bottoms. I'm gonna show you guys on the other view. Yeah, and then like tighten. I would go to a tail and tighten this right here, take up this part because my cooch is here, not here. So this if it's taken in, I feel like there would be some hope. No, I think so. Tell me in the comments. I think there would be some hope, but yeah, if it got taken in, yeah, look at hope there. But right now, I'm not feeling it. The crotch on the floor, like down here. So just no. Pack it up, sister. Pack it up, because that is not it. So we are moving on to the last item because this one did me dirty. The item before, which was the two-piece set, I give that an 8 out of 10 because they were bigger than me for one, and two, I didn't like the material of the pants. This I would give a 5 for potential. Maybe a 4. Yeah, a 4 out of 10. Now I love this at all. Next. So guys, this dress also had potential. I gotta cover everything because it is see-through, but it has the button-up sleeves. I'm not gonna button them up because yeah, no. Then again, let's see how it would look if it was buttoned. Oh no, have to give me some time because you know the nails and me, I am a handicap. Alright, we're gonna leave it alone because I can't. So that's what that looks like. Bro. Now y'all have seen here. I'm going to put on the screen what it looks like without just hair showing because it is a disgrace. All right, first of all, I have to cover right here because I have on very brightly colored underwear and I don't want y'all to see that. Actually, I might just blur it out. Yeah, I'm just blur it out. So this is what the dress looks like, right? Big as hell. But then you have this thing on the side, you know, this thing that you can pull to adjust the side. So I'm gonna do that. And look, it didn't make it any better because what is this? The model does not look like this. It is tight. I'm so confident I look nice. And me just look like a big oompa loompa. I look like one balloon where I lose ear. Ma'am, what is this? Like on the model, it looks like this. It is so on. It is nice. Sit on pun girl. Why not sit down for me? I hate this. No, I hate this. And it's not stretchy. It's not stretchy material at all. It's like sheer. It's like sheer material, but like 2 layers of sheer. So it's not that see-through, but it still is see-through. I don't know. I think this did have like a hole, but clearly not. So this is no. This top is clearly. Remember this top. This dress is clearly gonna get a. Nah, lie. Maybe like the black. Maybe like the astronaut suit more than this.
Can't see it. That just one taking, bro.
I ate this. I ate this. I'm gonna give it a 5. It has potential. Maybe if I get it taken in, it'll look better. And if I get it taken in and it doesn't look better, then something wrong. But clearly, no. Next time I order, I guess I'll order the body along with it, because clearly that's what I need in order for these things to fit properly. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this haul. So all in all, I like 3 out of 5. But you know, my favorite is the black and red top, because that's the only one that fits, first of all. Second of all, I just think it was I thought it was the cutest thing out of everything that I got, and I just really wanted it and I really liked it. So yeah, that is the end of this haul. But of course, I got a coupon code for you guys, and my coupon code is AndI08. So if you use that, you'll get an extra 8% off your order. Make sure I use my code and all of that good stuffy stuff. My measurements and the sizes and the links to these items will be in the description box below. So don't be in the comments asking me about this and this and that. All of it will be in the description box. Just make sure to go and check it. And if you liked this haul, you want to see more hauls, or you want to see more what I ordered versus what I got, make sure you subscribe, click that bell so you can get notified every single time I post a video. Like, comment, Mr. All Authority, share, and see you guys in the next video.